Hi guys, welcome to Knowledge Base. We have an interesting topic here, matrix. In this video, we are going to look at the concept of matrix in a simplified form. First of all, what is a matrix? A matrix is an array of elements, usually numbers, arranged in rows and columns. Example of a matrix is this. These are numbers arranged in rows and columns. Looking at this matrix, these entries, which are the numbers, are called the elements of the matrix. So, for this matrix, the elements are 1, 2, 3 to 9, as you can see here. For matrix, they are identified by an order. We call it the order of the matrix. And the order of the matrix is obtained from the numbers of rows and columns in a given matrix. The entries from left to right, or sideways, or right to left, whichever way you want to look at it, is called the row. For example, this is a row in this matrix because it is the entries in a sideways direction from left to right or right to left. Similarly, entries from top to bottom or vertical entries are called column. So this is a column. This is one of the rows. So we can call this the first row, and we can say this is the second row, and finally this is the third row. Similarly, this is the first column, this the second column, while this is the third column. So looking at this matrix, it has 3 rows and 3 columns. And that defines the order of the matrix. And the order of the matrix is read as the number of rows by the number of columns. Rows first before columns. Since this has 3 rows and 3 columns, we can say that the order of the matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix, where 3, written in red, represents the row described in red, and 3, written in blue, represent the column described in blue. Rows by column, and not the other way around. You don't write the number of columns first before the row. You always start with the number of rows. Since we have 3 rows, it becomes a 3 by 3 matrix because we also have 3 columns. Now that we've identified the order of the matrix, let's look at this for instance. What will you say is the order of this matrix? Obviously, it is a 3 by 2 matrix, or you can say 3 times 2 matrix. This is because it has 1, 2, 3 rows by 1, 2 column. So it is a 3 by 2 matrix. If you were asked, what is the position of the element 5 in this matrix? You will rightly say that 5 is in the position of the second row and the second column. So we are going to describe a better way to identify the position of each of the elements in a matrix. Let's look at this matrix for instance. There are no entries. We are going to form the entries very soon. It has 1, 2, 3 rows. It equally has 1, 2, 3 columns. This matrix is matrix Aij, where I is representing the ith row and J representing the jth column. Since this is an A, uppercase letter A matrix, we are going to form the elements with lowercase letter a. So let's form the elements. Lowercase letter a for the first element. It means this position is for the first row and first column, as you can see here, 1, 1. This position is the first row and second column. This position is the first row and third column. Similarly, A21 is the position for the second row, first column. This is the position for the second row, second column. And this is the position for the second row, third column. And lastly, the element here is the element in the third row, first column, third row, second column, and finally this element is the element in the third row and third column. So this is how to identify the position of the elements. So if we look at this matrix for instance and we say this matrix is matrix Aij for instance, what would you say is the position of this element 4? This element 4 is obviously in the second row, second column. So position A22 represents the position of the element 4, second row, second column. Now that we've identified this, please try this. The matrix below is an Aij matrix where I represents the ith row and J represents the jth column. This is the matrix we're talking about. The first question here says, what is the order of the matrix? And secondly, what is the element of A21? Please put your answer in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to more of this kind of videos on this page. Please like, share, and follow our page for more. Thank you very much for watching.